Namaste, Auntie and Uncle. My name is Satik Shivasai. I am studying in UKG A section. My project name is Living Things and Non-Living Things. Things which have life are called living things. Living things can move from one place to another place. They can grow, they can eat, they can run. Example, human beings, plants, and animals. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another place. They cannot grow, they cannot eat, they cannot run. Example, table, chair, stones, and cup. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanilla. I am studying in UKG B section. My topic is living things and non-living things. Living things are life work on. Living things move from one place to another place. They can grow. Example, human beings, plants, and animals. Non-living things do not move from one place to another place. They can grow. Example, table, cup, ball, basket. Thank you, everyone.